We begin with the standard HTML boilerplate. We include Tailwind CSS to style our application with utility classes, so we do not need an external style sheet. We set up the body with a calming blue to purple gradient background. We restrict the maximum width of our main container and center it horizontally to keep the layout neat on large screens. This is the mood tracker section. We use Flexbox to space out the emoji buttons. Each button has a hover effect that scales it up slightly and an on-click handler to save the selected mood. Next is the daily journal. We provide a text area for the user to write their thoughts. The focus ring class gives it a nice purple highlight when the user clicks inside to type. The final UI component is the breathing exercise. It has a placeholder paragraph that we will update dynamically using JavaScript to guide the user through a breathing cycle. Moving to the JavaScript, the setMood function saves the chosen emoji to the browser memory using local storage and updates the text below the buttons to confirm the selection. We use the window onload event to check if the user has visited before. If they have a saved mood or journal entry in their local storage, we automatically load it into the interface so they do not lose their previous data. The Save Journal function captures whatever the user typed into the text area, stores it in local storage under the key journal, and displays a success message. This initializes the breathing exercise. We define an array with 3 strings representing the steps of the breathing cycle and set the display to the first step. We use setInterval to create a loop that runs every 3000 milliseconds. On each tick, we advance to the next step in our array. Once we reach the end of the array, we clear the interval to stop the timer and display a completion message.